What's up guys, in this video I will guide you on how to make and receive calls on your HryFine smartwatch. In addition to that, I'm also going to show you how to fix the issue where whenever you try to make call you get the problem of cannot operate without phone even after connecting both devices with the HryFine app on your phone. Now first things first, in order for you to make and receive calls from your HryFine smartwatch to any phone, whether it's an iPhone or Android phone, you have to make sure you connect your HryFine smartwatch to the HryFine smartwatch app on your phone. So go ahead and get your phone and then make sure at the top notification center over here you turn on Bluetooth, and then also make sure you turn on the service location or location of your phone. Now once that is done, you want to head over to the iOS App Store or Google Play Store if you're using an Android phone like mine. Then from the search bar at the bottom, click on it, and then at the top you want to go ahead and search for HryFine, and then make sure you download and install this HryFine smartwatch app into your phone so that we can pair it with the HryFine smartwatch over here. And once the app is done downloading and installing, you want to proceed with the setup process. So go ahead and click on the open button over here. And basically at this point you just want to give the app all of the permission it needs to function properly with your HryFine smartwatch. So click on allow, click on allow, click on allow. Just go ahead and give it all of the permission. Automatically you will be asked to sign into the HryFine smartwatch app. You can go ahead and sign in with your Google account, but before then make sure you check on this button over here, that is the privacy policy button. Then click on sign in with Google. I'll go ahead and select my Google account over here. And if you're signing in for the first time, you'll be required to enter some of your personal information, and an account will be created for you just like this. You want to take note of your account by taking a screenshot of it and click on the confirm button over here. Click on confirm, fill in all of this information with your right personal data, and once you're done, just click at the confirm button at the top, and just like so, we have now successfully set up the app. First things first, you're going to get this pop-up, and basically you want to click on the go to set, locate the HryFine smartwatch app from over here, select it, and then make sure you toggle on the allow notification access permission over here. You might actually get a warning, just skip it and then click on OK. Now you want to go back to the HryFine smartwatch app, and now to pair both devices you want to just click on the watch icon at the top, select it just like so, and now you want to click on the allow button. Give it permission to be able to use your location to search for nearby devices. So click on while using this app, and now it is searching for nearby devices to connect to. Also at this point you want to make sure you turn on Bluetooth on your HryFine smartwatch. So just from the home, swipe up just like so, and you should be able to find the Bluetooth icon over here. Click on it and Bluetooth will be enabled. Now your HryFine smartwatch app should be able to find the name of your HryFine smartwatch. I'll go ahead and try searching again. Over here you can literally see mine, which is actually the Watch 9. So I'll go ahead and select it directly from here. Click on the Watch 9, and just like so, we have now successfully connected our HryFine smartwatch to the HryFine smartwatch app on our phone. You can just go ahead and click on the cancel button at this particular point. You also want to make sure you pair both devices via Bluetooth as well. Usually you will get a pop-up asking you to pair both devices via Bluetooth, but if you do not see that pop-up, what you can actually do is to just go over to the Bluetooth of your phone. Over here you want to make sure you search for the name of your HryFine smartwatch and also connect to it via Bluetooth. You can literally see the name of my HryFine smartwatch, which is actually Watch 9 Audio. So I'll go ahead and select it so that it can also connect via Bluetooth. Click on pair, and once it is connected via Bluetooth and also connected via the HryFine app, we can now proceed to try making calls on our HryFine smartwatch, and this will work perfectly well now. So you can go ahead and open up the call icon on your HryFine smartwatch, try to make a call just like so, then click on the call icon over here, click on OK, and you're going to see that that call is going to be made on our phone as well. So on my phone over here you can literally see the number is also being called on my phone as well. Also at this particular point you should now be able to receive all of your calls from your phone using your HryFine smartwatch, and I will just test it out now. And as you can see, I just received a call from my phone and also on my HryFine smartwatch as well. Meanwhile, if you're getting the issue where whenever you try to make a call, you get the cannot operate without phone error on your HryFine smartwatch, this is actually a result of the fact that you have not connected both devices via Bluetooth. So if you actually disconnect the Bluetooth connection at the top over here from our HryFine smartwatch, just unpair it, you're going to notice that even though both devices are actually connected via the HryFine smartwatch app from over here, both devices are still connected. If you try to make a call, you're actually going to get the cannot operate without phone, or it is actually not going to call at all. So if you want to be able to make call, you actually have to make sure you connect both devices via Bluetooth as well. So make sure you turn on your Bluetooth. You also search for the name of your HryFine smartwatch, and then also make sure you connect to it via the Bluetooth connection as well. Click on pair for both devices to also pair via Bluetooth. And at this point, if you try to make a call on your HryFine smartwatch and then just click on the call icon, you should be able to make a call without any problem, and it works pretty well. In some HryFine smartwatches, you're going to notice that there are actually two Bluetooths you have to connect to. So even after connecting to watch 9, you also have to connect to another name of the smartwatch again. So you have to search and connect to another watch 9 before the call icon or call and receiving call feature will actually work on your HryFine smartwatch. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.